Hello, solitary drawer community. We are growing bigger. I was asked in the comments to make a more perspective, complex and not so flat. So I am going to propose to make a perspective like some alleys in some village. With diverse perspectives we start to propose our element. You saw how we escaped. You saw. Look at how the horizon line is over there. Back we started to make the elements. Architectural. Look how this line is going to escape here. That I put below upwards. Then we continue putting the elements. Let's measure them by eye. We are following our model that, well, it does not show here, but I am seeing it and we are going, proposing. The other elements are houses that will be on a bridge, so to speak. And they're going to have various perspectives and various materials, textures. Here I am assembling it, which is the bridge. That is going to go down. Notice the arch is a rare arch. It is not an arch, half-point arch and nothing. See how they are. The towns and the constructions. Self-taught in the villages. Well, here we continue working. Are we still proposing where they go? Where they go? Going to go. Shadows. Where are elements going to go? Don't despair. Right now it starts to take shape there. We are escaping an element that is like in 1 second. Third floor here, notice how that perspective goes down. Does that mean that those alleys are that I am doing here below comes 4 above, and the alley on the right goes also upwards. We continue managing the elements here. I proposawad. Look at these stairs that I am going to make with a low wall. They are all made of stone. Everything is odd. Nothing is symmetrical. Look how the perspective, when it approaches you, grows. The elements grow while they escape more to the vanishing point. The horizon lines are smaller. Here we're going to do what I like the tiles. Here there's going to be a step, 1 or 2 steps, but notice how they made bigger. When it approaches, we propose the stones, some type of block stone. There we have another step, and there a type of entrance. You'll see what it is. We are making the stairs for the main house. Right now the door is going to come out. Look at the door, how I do it first. I measure, and this one is indeed a half-point arch. That's why I made the circle. The projection of the circle, when it is a half-point arch, it is made with a circle. It's not the part, the middle of a circle. We continue working. See the ladder. This is the step, and maybe there's some windows in this house there. We have one, and we are going to have another. Smaller and then above one bigger. Small and a type of vents. Over there the drawing begins to look good. No, here's something happened with the perspective. Did something fail, then we touch it up. We erase and realize that the wall, there it is half curved. No, see the floor. As it is not straight, that is what they asked me it is. Inclined, remember. How are the towns? We don't make another element up there. We propose the windows of that alley. Notice how the leak went to up, and we start to define the elements. Already with Azure. If you noticed, I changed from pencil. I was doing it with the pencil, the drawing in fine 0.5 point, and right now I went to a 2B pencil too. We look how the perspective goes there. Something rare also happens with the perspective. There it goes. We are going to modify. We start to play around with character. We didn't start to give the shadows, to give volume, to give it the depth to the drawing. That's why it is so fun. We cure, as we have already seen in other exercises. We make what is the floor, stone floor. Look how the stones grow. When they come close to us, there we have the small stairs, and of course, this house that we have. Foreground generates a shadow. Then we propose it to the door. We also give depth with shadows. We make the frame and go into the constructive elements, not that. Our blocks of stone. We give more depth and character to the drawing. I am forgetting this part of the perspective, but there it goes. We didn't start to give light and shadows, to give volume, to give line qualities. Qualities of textures. Notice how while they approach they go, growing more. And here, at the entrance of the little house, another type of pavements. We continue drawing that little stone wall. These are better cut stones, no. Our blocks of stone. They are not stone balls. We propose how the system is going to be constructive of the house. In the back, we are going. Looking, we are placing the materials. The constructive system, that is what it is, and well, we continue shading to give it all that the drawing needs. Back there, you have seen, the bricks are seen. We propose a shadow. We bring this inclined street and upwards, do it ourselves. Here it looks, as the element grows when it close. Look how they are already small, and the closer they get to us are bigger, but they must go with a certain perspective. Here too, best something of vegetation, little trees, just similar sized. We enter with the brush to blend and ready. Comment, share, give a like, save it, and send it to your friends. Thank you.